evening shadows, autumn rain keeps pouring down. Love has vanished, silence is the only sound. Every drop reminds me of the times we had, stacking up the sorrow, breaking me so bad. Like autumn rain, your love came slow and steady, soaking through my soul before I knew. But like a storm, the heartbreak came so heavy, tore it all apart and left me bruised. Now I'm just a fallen leaf, a heart that's used. I found the best days I would ever know. When I met that storm, girl, I let it blow. Didn't fear the fire, didn't fear the pain, laughing in the thunder, dancing in the rain. Like autumn rain, your love came slow and steady, soaking through my soul before I knew. But like a storm, the heartbreak came so heavy, tore it all apart and left me bruised. Now the season's back, the rain is knocking hard, this empty world is quiet, tears are in the yard. But I know the storm will fade, the skies will clear, and a stronger man will still be standing here. When love comes down again, like a gentle autumn rain, I won't let the fury wash it all away. I'll hold it close, keep it safe inside, and love like rain that never dies.